People decide in half a second whether they stay or scroll. No hook, no sound, no movement. The video is dead before it starts. That's why starting from a blank prompt is the slowest way to lose attention. Instead, start by changing something real, a real product, a real clip, a real moment. You drop it into PixVerse and rewrite reality from there. That's where Modify comes in. And after that, V5.6 takes over to turn it into a full cinematic sequence. Let's break it down properly. PixVerse is an AI video generator, as most of you know, but the real shift starts with Modify. Modify is about mechanics and scenarios and not polish. You are not directing cameras yet. You are changing what happens inside a scene. You take an existing image or video and tell PixVerse how the situation evolves. A product gets picked up. A character turns, runs, reacts. The environment changes. The emotion shifts. You are rewriting the logic of the moment without rebuilding it from scratch. Think gameplay thinking, not filmmaking yet. You upload a lifestyle photo with the product on a table. In Modify, you define actions. Hands reach for it. The product activates. The scene transitions into use. You are controlling cause and effect. For ads, this means embedding products naturally into real situations. For creators, it means remixing moments instead of generating fake ones. For IP and travel content, it means one scenario flows into another without breaking continuity. Transition videos shine here. One location morphs into another with consistent motion. A street becomes a beach. Day turns into night. Popular IP edits work the same way. You are not pasting yourself into a scene. You are adapting the scene to accept you. Advertising production becomes scalable. Brands reuse the same product logic and apply it across regions, languages, and environments without reshooting anything. Film and TV style scenarios are where Modify gets playful. You swap yourself into iconic scenes and actually act inside them. Lighting, framing, and perspective adapt to your presence. It feels like participation and not a sticker layered on top. Motion stays physical. Running, turning, parkour, POV movement, rotations, all hold together instead of melting apart. Now, once the scenario works, that's when PixVerse V5.6 steps in. V5.6 is not about what happens, it's about how it's shown. This is where multi-camera views, character movement, and storytelling take control. Instead of one angle, you now get sequences. Wide shot, close-up, tracking shot, cutaway, all paced automatically. Audio is the first major upgrade in V5.6. Sound is no longer an afterthought. Voices, ambient noises, effects, and spatial depth are generated together with the visuals. When the camera cuts, the sound cuts. When a character moves closer, the voice feels closer. Near, far, left, right, depth, all synced. Audio lives inside the scene, not glued on later.
I've been waiting here for almost an hour. Sorry I'm late, the traffic was impossible.
The second upgrade is multi-shot storytelling. Now, here you describe the flow and PixVerse handles the rest. Camera movement, cuts, pacing, and sound continuity all stay consistent. That same product scenario for Modify now becomes a real commercial. Table shot, close-up in use, city walk at night, clean hero shot with text. Same identity across every single cut. It feels intentional and cinematic. Rendering quality improves across the board. Skin, fabric, metal, hair, lighting, shadows, motion blur, all sharper. Faces hold better across cuts. Character movement feels grounded. Scenes stop looking like stitched clips and start feeling like directed footage. Emotions land harder too. The add function lets you place people into scenes where they could never exist before. Standing next to parents in their younger years, taking photos with friends or family who are offline, meeting idols, stepping into fictional worlds. These aren't just visual tricks. They hit emotionally because the movement, camera language, and sound sell the moment. Fashion and outfit edits are another strong use case. My favorite in particular. If an outfit feels flat, you don't need to reshoot. You enhance it. Change texture, add motion, push style. Keep the original performance intact while upgrading the vibe. You still have the full toolbox. swap for face and element swaps, templates for formats that already perform on Reels and TikTok, Fusion to blend subjects naturally, transition tools for smooth scene changes, and camera libraries for cinematic angles and movement. It's not perfect magic. You still think in segments. Some shots need reruns. But compared to juggling motion tools, audio tools, editors, and plugins, doing this one in one prompt-driven workflow is a massive speed advantage. So, if you create short form, ads, or short story-driven content and hate timelines, PixVerse with Modify Plus V5.6 is absolutely worth testing. Start with Modify to control the scenario. Then let V5.6 handle cameras, movement, and sound. Join the project, play with it, and tell me how you'd use it. And if you want more deep dives into AI tools and creative workflows, subscribe, hit notifications, and drop your ideas down below. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.